On the SchoolBus.Rocks we roll along, learning tales of Mavericks, mighty and strong. From the marshes of Liangshan to the fields we roam, they fought for justice, made the world their own. Jiang led with a heart so bold, a leader of justice, his stories told. Song with fists, tamed the wild, faced a tiger's wrath like a fearless child. Oh, Mavericks of the Marsh, hear their cry. They stood up tall, never said goodbye. From the pages of old, their stories flow. Global elites network, now let's go. Liangshan fought with honor and grace against the corrupt. He held his place. Like who with the whirlwind, fierce and true, showed that strength lies in what you do. Through the dark nights, through stormy skies, they never gave up, with fire in their eyes. From prisons and chains, they broke away. Mavericks unite, they paved the way. Oh, Mavericks of the Marsh, hear their cry. They stood up tall, never said goodbye. From the pages of old, their stories flow. Global elites network, now let's go. From the campus halls to the world so wide, we learn their courage with every stride. Through the highs and lows, we find our way. Just like the Mavericks, we seize the day. They face the floods, the fiercest fights, held together through the longest nights. With brotherhood strong, they pass the test, teaching us all to do our best. When the mountains roared and the rivers rose, they stood their ground, faced all their foes. With clever tricks and plans so bright, they outfoxed the foes in every fight. In the darkest caves, they found their light, never gave up, they won each fight. With laughter and wit, they broke the chains, proving that courage always remains. They crossed the seas and climbed the peaks, with teamwork strong and found what they seek. Through thick and thin, they held the line. Mavericks promised to always shine. From the markets loud to the palace gates, they turned aside, changed their fates with hearts so pure and minds so quick. They played the game with every trick. When the storms did rage and the winds did howl, they stood like rocks, they didn't bow. With jokes and puns, they lightened the load. Mavericks showed the true hero's code. On the markets melt to the palace gates, they turned the tides, changed their fates. With hearts so